How to upload YouTube Shorts from mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to upload YouTube Shorts using your mobile phone. So without further ado, let's get started. So YouTube Shorts are a special type of content, a short vertical videos that are 60 seconds or less. To get started, you can open the YouTube app and simply tap on the plus icon button at the bottom, and after tapping on that it will bring up the upload option. Now you can either select an existing video that's under 60 seconds and upload it as a short, or swipe right to choose create a short. If you choose to create one, your camera will open and you can tap and add sound at the top to include music, and in the top right you can adjust the video length, and on the right side you will find various tools like flip, timer, speed, effects, green screen and filters to enhance your video. Now I will quickly record a sample video, and after clicking that, once you are satisfied, you can simply tap on the check mark to proceed. And from here, you can add text, trim your clips, apply filters. You can also find a timeline tool at the bottom left for editing. And once you're done, you can simply tap next in the bottom right. And now it's time to finalize your upload. So to do that, simply add a caption if you want, and if you want to set a custom thumbnail, you can tap on the pencil icon at the top left and then scroll down to choose the visibility settings. Now select your location and indicate whether the video is made for kids. And when everything looks good, you can simply tap on done and then hit upload short at the bottom right. And with this, your video will start processing, and you can check the video if you want. And once processed, it will be available under the Shorts tab. And that's it. That's how you can upload YouTube Shorts from mobile.
With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.